Yan ang lechon. Slicein muna. Para madaling
Ice, may ice ba?
mayroon. Kaso walang lagayan. Sige, ano muna dito. Ayun.
Extra! Ay.
Picture. Hindi mo ka po.
Sige lang, naghugas ka naman. Tama na yan. May busog na ah. Mataba siya, no?
Ano, papasukin na natin sila.
Sandali lang, hindi pa na-slice.
Sige pa.
Magulo. At least yung may 20 makakuha dito.
Anong movie? Bisita mo.
Ganyan mo naman.
Bisita ko. Hawa ka dito, binig ka. Bawal ganyan, dapat ka.
Entertain mo muna, Kim. Ha? Sabi mo, ini-slice lang muna.
Picture. Wow!
Pagtawagin mo na yung wala pa. Sina ano, Pap, sina Maminda. Yan yung prepare namin.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Blow the candle. Make a wish.
To you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay!
And more abundant in this life. And Lord, thank you. More blessings to us. And thank you so much. And this is for the sake of our life. Thank you so much. And we will bring back the glory and the praise.